Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm just going to show you how to set up a poll within Microsoft Teams while you're in a meeting. I'm just going to disable my camera so you don't have to look at me. What we've got on the screen is a meeting that's currently taking place in Teams. I am the only person in that meeting, but it doesn't matter, you can still demonstrate this function quite effectively. In order to set up a poll, you need to be able to see the conversation. So you bring up the chat window, which should appear on the right hand side. Down the bottom of the chat window are a number of little icons that allow you to insert certain things into a chat, like an attachment, an emoticon, an animated GIF, or whatever those things are. Next to that are three little dots. If you click on there, you've got the option to add a form. Click on Form, and you'll see that this is a form appearing on the screen where you can ask a question. I can ask a question here. What's your favourite fruit? And you can add as many options as you want. You can also give users the option to have multiple answers, in which case they can choose multiple fruits. I'm going to leave this though as a single answer. Then you just click on Next. It'll bring up a preview of what the poll is going to look like, and then you press Send. This will then send this poll to the chat window of everybody on the call. Everybody can make their vote. There's mine. And underneath there will be an updated score sheet showing how many responses you've had and what the outcome of the poll is. Obviously, with more people on the group, you'll get a better idea of what the outcome would be. The poll will stay open for as long as the call is active. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.